In a previous video, we talked about how adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers would be more easily understood if you looked at the problem with the sign and then a number, a sign and a number. For example, we could have a -3, a +6. This is what I mean when I say a sign and then a number, a sign and then a number. Remember that the symbols for addition and subtraction are also the same symbols for positive and negative. This is what causes the confusion. So if you look at a problem this way, you can apply the rules, which say if the signs are the same, you add the numbers. If the signs are different, you subtract the numbers. But what happens when you have a problem that has sign, sign, and then the number? Like this. -3, +6. In this case, we have two signs that are before a number in both cases. Well, that's very confusing. So when you have this situation, there is an extra step that I teach in order to get the problem to look like this again, where it's sign, number, where you can apply the rules for addition and subtraction. This is what it looks like. When you have this situation of sign, number, you have an extra step to do. You could have two positive signs and then a number. You could have two negative signs and then the number, or you could have one of each. If the signs are the same, the number turns positive. So here I have two signs that are the same. I'm going to stop looking at this and picture that. Are the signs the same? Yes, they are. So stop looking at this, look at that. When the signs are different, the number itself turns negative. So in this case, we have, are the signs the same? No. This is ignored. You watch that. Are the signs the same? No. Those two turn into this negative sign. So in a particular problem, you might have something like this. -3, +7. In this case, we want to see sign, number. This is sign, number. So we have to do this extra step on this problem. Are the signs the same? Yes, they are. So we're going to stop looking at this. We're going to put a positive sign before that 3. Are the sign, here's sign, number, here's sign, number on this one. So we're going to have to do our extra step in both cases. Are the signs the same? No. So this 7 turns negative. And our problem could be written again as +3, -7. Now I have the problem the way I need it to be, where I have a sign and then a number, a sign and a number. So I'm going to ask myself the question again, are the signs the same? In this case, no. So I'm going to subtract the numbers. The subtraction is 4. And then I'm going to copy the sign of the larger numeral. 7 is bigger than 3, so I'm going to copy that sign, that negative sign. And the problem is finished. Sign, number, sign, number. Well, this one's okay. This one has just one sign before that number, so this is okay. But this one has sign, 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 and then the number. So the extra step has to be done there. We just had to do it once on this problem. Are the signs the same? Yes. That makes the number 6 positive. Stop looking at these. They're confusing. Your problem then can be written over again as -5, +6. Now we have it the way we need to have it. Sign number, sign number. Are the signs the same? No. So we're going to subtract the numbers. This is equal to 1. And now we're going to go back and take the sign. We're going to copy the sign of the larger numeral, which is 6. Here's what I'm copying.